Hey, everybody. Two boys, one brain cell. Don't even act like you were trying to. No.
I was one, dude.
You were acting like I stole your intro, but really, you were trying to steal my intro, and you failed.
Yeah. I mean, that's exactly what happened.
We're two boys, one brain cell. I'm Joel Norton. That's Charles Beeson. And today,
I feel gaslit right now.
we're checking out the Gaslight Anthem, the 59 sound. Off
And it's
the
the
album.
Gaslight anthem there.
Oh, yeah. What did you say?
I said I feel gaslit right now.
And then I just copied what you said.
Yeah.
You piece of shit. Shout out to our Patreon for this request. We checked out that whole EP from these guys, and it was fantastic.
Ready for more.
Yes. You just want to jump right into this, button?
Yes.
Not even mess around. Just go. Send it.
Send it.
Send it. Well, this is taking a sad turn.
Yeah.
As I realized what was happening up here.
Yeah.
When they came to carry you over.
Yeah.
And I was like, there's a lot of questioning. Like it's all question marks in the lyrics. So I was like,
well, I wonder which song they're going to play when we go. My first thought was, what song they're going to play when we die?
yeah.
And, yep, that's what it's looking like.
That's what it's looking like. And did he say, grandma coming through on grandma's
do you
radio?
hear the 59 sound coming through on
grandma's
radio?
Okay. So we're yet to find out who is passing.
Yeah.
But it sounds good.
It does sound good.
It does sound good. Despite.
I mean,
the lyrics are still solid.
yeah.
But
despite
I'm just saying,
the message, the sad message.
The sadness. But it is formatted lyrically really nicely.
Yeah. Oh, yeah. It really makes you start thinking about, like, oh.
Yeah.
And it hit you, and the emotion kind of hit you at the same time.
This right here hits me pretty hard. I was playing a show down the road when your spirit left your body, and they told me on the front lawn, I'm sorry I couldn't go.
Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah.
100%. Let's finish it out.
Yes, sir.
But I still know the song and the words and the name and the reasons. And I know cause we were kids and we used to hang. And I know cause we were kids and we used to hang. You hear the 59 sound coming through on grandpa's radio. Did you hear the rattling chains in the hospital walls? Did you hear the old gospel choir when they came to carry you over? Did you hear your favorite song one last time? Young boys, young girls, young boys, young girls.
Damn.
Those are some hard hitting lyrics.
Yeah. Honestly, so what I gathered there with the chorus makes me think more of, did you hear more music after you died?
Yeah. That's what I was getting
Yeah.
initially too.
Yeah.
Yes, sir. So because he's like, did you hear that? You know, was on your way out, basically.
Yeah. Did you hear the rattling chains in the hospital walls?
See, I don't understand exactly that part. That's maybe the only two lines I don't understand fully in the song, or maybe
My guess is,
Oh wait, I hope we don't hear Marley's chains.
We Forged in Life. I'm assuming there's a song called Rattling Chains. Maybe.
Okay, yeah, that makes sense.
And they were playing it because maybe it was the person's favorite song.
I got
Because later in the song they said something about, did you hear your favorite song one last time?
Yeah. Okay, that makes sense. I like this.
Yeah.
Their sound is just
Oh, yeah. And the message here is,
phenomenal.
yeah, 100%.
So vibe check, lyrics check, dude's voice
Check. Just check.
check. Ratings. That's all that's left. Um,
7.7 playlist.
You're really close, bud. 7.8 playlist. That's a solid one.
Yeah, absolutely.
Shout out to our Patreon. Thank you for the pick.
Yeah, thanks for that one.
Mm-hmm.
Got anything more to add, bud?
No, dude. No. That's just, I'm really liking this band.
Yeah. Well, we are Two Boys, One Brain Cell. I'm Chuck Beeson. That's Joel Norton. And that was our reaction to the 59 sound by the Gaslight Anthem. And if you liked our reaction, go ahead and hit that like or that subscribe for us. We would greatly appreciate it.
Hell yeah.
You can vote for who gets the brain cell in the comments below just to have some fun with us.
Have some fun.
And outside of that, I hope you guys have a great evening and stay safe out there.
Hell yeah.